If you need to log out of Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to sign out of your Namecheap account safely and correctly. This is helpful if you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or just want to make sure your account stays secure. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on your username. This will open a drop-down menu with account options. From that menu, find and select Sign Out. That's the option you need to fully log out of Namecheap. After you click it, Namecheap will sign you out of the current session, and you'll be returned to the logged out state. At this point, your account is no longer active on that browser, which is especially important if you're on a public or shared device. If you want to sign back in later, you can simply return to Namecheap and enter your login details again. So again, the steps are very easy. Log in, click your username in the top left corner, and then choose Sign Out from the drop-down menu. And that's it. You're now logged out of your Namecheap account. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick how-to guide.